Nestled amidst the breathtaking Canadian Rockies, Banff and Banff National Park stand as a testament to nature's grandeur and offer a multitude of unforgettable experiences for travelers seeking adventure, tranquility, and the wonders of the great outdoors. This pristine corner of Alberta, Canada, is a veritable playground for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Banff, a charming mountain town, serves as the gateway to Banff National Park, which was established in 1885 and is Canada's oldest national park. The town itself boasts a unique blend of alpine charm and modern amenities, with cozy cafes, boutique shops, and world-class restaurants set against the backdrop of towering peaks and lush forests. Strolling along the bustling Banff Avenue, one can soak in the delightful atmosphere and perhaps indulge in some souvenir shopping or sample local cuisine, such as the Alberta beef or delicious poutine. However, the real magic of Banff lies in its natural surroundings. Banff National Park covers over 2,500 square miles of pristine wilderness, encompassing glaciers, emerald lakes, rugged mountains, and lush valleys. One of the must-see attractions in the park is Lake Louise, a turquoise jewel surrounded by towering peaks, where visitors can rent canoes or hike the nearby trails like the Lake Agnes Tea House hike for breathtaking panoramic views. Moraine Lake, often depicted on postcards and with its surreal blue waters, is another iconic spot for exploration. For those seeking an adrenaline rush, Banff offers a plethora of outdoor adventures. Hiking and backpacking enthusiasts can explore an extensive network of trails that range from easy walks suitable for all ages to challenging multi-day hikes for experienced trekkers. The Plain of Six Glaciers Trail and the Johnston Canyon are popular choices, offering both natural beauty and accessibility. Banff National Park is a winter wonderland as well, with world-class skiing and snowboarding opportunities. The nearby ski resorts, including Sunshine Village and Lake Louise Ski Resort, beckon with powder-covered slopes and cozy lodges. Meanwhile, snowshoeing, ice skating, and ice climbing provide other thrilling options for enjoying the snow-covered landscapes. Wildlife enthusiasts will be in their element here, with a chance to spot iconic Canadian animals such as grizzly bears, elk, moose, and bighorn sheep. The park's diverse ecosystems support a wide range of wildlife, and you can embark on guided wildlife tours to increase your chances of seeing these majestic creatures in their natural habitat. Banff and the surrounding area also offer cultural and historical attractions, such as the White Museum of the Canadian Rockies, which showcases the region's rich history and art. The historic Banff Springs Hotel, a beautiful chateau-style resort, is not only an architectural gem but also a fantastic place to enjoy a spa day or a round of golf. Throughout the year, Banff National Park hosts various events and festivals, including the Banff Mountain Film and Book Festival, which celebrates adventure filmmaking and literature. These cultural gatherings add an extra layer of depth to the visitor experience. In conclusion, Banff and Banff National Park are a treasure trove of natural beauty and outdoor adventures. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a nature enthusiast, or simply seeking a serene escape into the wilderness, this remarkable destination in the heart of the Canadian Rockies has something for everyone. It's a place where the majestic mountains meet the serenity of nature, creating an unforgettable experience that will leave you longing to return again and again.